The Redness Relief Kit is one of our most popular products for good reason. It works really well for the two most common causes of facial redness. Seborrheic dermatitis, also known as facial dandruff. Yes, so sad we get dandruff on our face. And number 2, rosacea. So the Redness Relief Kit combines the Calming Zinc Bar, which is a 2% parathione zinc product in a natural and hydrating soap. 2% parathione zinc is an ingredient that dermatologists have used for many, many years to address these two conditions. And then following cleansing your skin with the Calming Zinc Bar, you apply the green tea cream. The green tea cream is unique. You see other products out there with green tea in them, they're not the same. This contains pharmaceutical grade, stable and pure polyphenol antioxidants from green tea, 90% concentration of them in a concentrated base. So this 1 ounce product has the equivalent polyphenol antioxidants, which are the important antioxidant fraction in green tea, the equivalent of 500 cups of green tea per ounce of cream. It really does the job. So this combination is magical. People love it. Many of my patients and many of the customers that we have across the world depend on this. It's a beautiful product. So how to use it, I have you wash your face with the Calming Zinc once a day, maybe even every other day if you have really sensitive skin. I don't recommend you start with it twice a day, but do twice a day apply the green tea cream. So this is your cleanse and correct step. The green tea cream is your correct step, and then you can go on to apply your moisturizer and your sunscreen on top for your complete skincare routine. So this is a product much loved by many people across the world, including me.